Affiliate marketing for beginners. Today we are going to talk about niche selection. How do you choose the most profitable niche? How do you choose the best-selling niche? How do you choose a niche that doesn't have any competition in it? Well, these are all great questions, and we're going to get into that right now. Before we continue, be sure and subscribe to the channel so that you'll be notified every time I put out new videos. Also, be sure and watch this video all the way to the end. I've got some really good information packed inside. So, in the last video in this series, I walked you through, it really was a walkthrough on ClickBank and solo ads. I really wanted to put together a complete system for especially beginners to be able to cut their teeth on getting everything up and running. Because once you start to understand how affiliate marketing works and you optimize your system and pick the right niche and do everything that you're supposed to, ultimately you can see results like I have here. This is a 2-week screenshot from our ClickBank account. As you move forward in your affiliate marketing journey, you really do need to, after picking a niche, consider building an entire ecosystem around that niche with a blog, maybe a YouTube channel, additional properties, social media, etc. You want to really encapsulate a whole entire community around it, and that's when you're ultimately going to be the most profitable. So today in this video, we're going to walk through some things that you need to consider to help make that decision on which niche I should consider starting with. People ask me all the time, what's the best niche? What's the most profitable niche to get into? And sadly, there's no one single answer. But the explanation is this: practically any niche that has a lot of customers and high quality affiliate programs can be profitable in the long term. You just need to take a smart, systematic, business-like approach to your affiliate marketing business. I think in the beginning, a few of the things that you really need to consider are number one, not thinking too small in terms of too small of a niche. Don't niche yourself down to the point where you say, oh, look, there's no competition. There's nobody going for this space. Because ultimately what that means is you're going to have few to none, little to no buyers in that niche. So you'll starve yourself out. There's a reason why there's no competition in that space. If you like these videos that I do, then let me know by liking this video. That way more people will be able to see it. Number two is think about the big three. The big three known in affiliate marketing are romance, health and fitness, and wealth or money. And these types of affiliate programs have what we call an evergreen effect. It's not something that is a flash in the pan or a fad or some sort of commodity that is here today and gone tomorrow. People are always looking for solutions to their pain points in these three spaces. Just think about it. How many relationships are people going through, and the emotional pain points and headaches and complications that all brings? People want to inherently be with other people, and you as an affiliate marketer could solve that problem for them. They also all want to be in better shape, especially around the first part of the year. When January rolls around and New Year's resolutions, the health and fitness industry, especially in the affiliate marketing end, go bananas. There's an insane amount of money made in this space. And third is wealth or money. That is something that is forever ongoing. It doesn't matter what month it is. There are always people that are in trouble financially and or always want to be making more money. So think about those three categories when you're thinking about affiliate marketing. The third thing is recurring revenue models. Again, if you think about this, it's easy to make a secondary sale to somebody originally who's happy with the service or product that you provided. So it's that initial acquisition that is so difficult. So if I can sell an affiliate program to somebody that is on a recurring revenue model, that means that I'm going to get paid into perpetuity with this system. And if it's web hosting or, I don't know, it doesn't matter. Whatever the case may be, that recurring revenue model is where I want to be, and it's the one thing that I really like to focus on. Sure, I have affiliate programs that I run that are not as aligned with that, but I have tested so many. So recurring revenue models really bring in the money. And the fourth thing that I think to really consider is to consider leveraging brand awareness. So if you are looking at, say, products, if you want to sell product lines, through some of the other affiliate marketing things that I'll mention here in a minute. You want to be able to leverage brand awareness. Instead of selling some off-brand set of shoes, you want to be able to sell Nike or Adidas or Reebok. So you need to be part of an affiliate network that is going to let you leverage that brand awareness. Now, those people have already spent millions of dollars to get their brand out there so that everybody knows Just Do It and the Nike swoosh. So take that to your advantage and leverage that brand awareness. Again, these are just the things that you want to keep top of mind when going through your analysis and your niche selection. If you have any other great ideas on how to select niche products, then leave a comment below. Okay, where do you go to look for these affiliate offers? Where can you go to get some ideas? And or once you've selected a niche, where can you go sign up? That's easiest. One of the things that you need to consider is that if you're just starting out with affiliate marketing, you really need to get that traction, get that education and experience under your belt. And a lot of these bigger, higher end affiliate networks are going to want to see that when you apply with them. So some of the easiest places in starting out is Amazon Associates if you're looking to sell products. The nice thing about Amazon Associates, there are good things and bad things, but the nice thing about them is they have so many, they literally have any product under the sun that you can sell. And so you could solve a problem for virtually anyone that's product related. Now, like I said a minute ago, it's not necessarily a recurring revenue model, but if you're crafty, you could fashion one in through products. Another one is Rakuten Marketing. Rakuten Marketing is another affiliate marketplace. It's very beginner friendly. They have a killer, easy to use interface, and they have some big brand names on there that you could leverage that brand recognition with. A few more to mention. ClickBank, I did the last video in this series. Like I mentioned before, I think if you check it out right up here, was my ClickBank and solo ads video that I mentioned earlier. You can go through ClickBank and set up with them exceptionally easily, scarily easy to set up with ClickBank for their affiliate program. Also places like JVZoo or Commission Junction, which is CJ Affiliates now, or Warrior Plus. There are a ton of places that you can go and sign up for these affiliate networks. This will again allow you to further cut your teeth and build your experience so that you can then go to and apply directly to some of the more profitable affiliate networks. So when considering your niche, it's better that you initially choose one that satisfy all your requirements, and additionally one that you have some familiarity with, experience with, or some passion for. One that I chose years ago that I still use today is the travel industry. So maybe the next time you go on a trip, the next time you go somewhere, sit down and take full inventory of all of the things that you could possibly do as an affiliate marketer and walking yourself through the paces, but all of the things you could do as an affiliate marketer to recommend and monetize for somebody that's looking to take a trip. You could do things like planning software or apps that you could recommend that help somebody do the initial planning phases. Travel credit cards are a big one that pay out in a big way. Obviously, flights, selling a flight, maybe an affiliate to Orbitz or one other flight search programs. You could do travel insurance. You could do clothes, again, product sales, a new camera, hotel, car rental, meals, tours, etc. You kind of get my drift. Go through the whole trip, go through your whole plan, and like I said, take full inventory of all of the things as an affiliate marketer that you could recommend and get somebody going through your funnel. Once you collect their email address, you can be sending them all kinds of information that is going to benefit and help them as a traveler and make you a little money as an affiliate marketer. Another nice thing for travel, as an example, is people are very passionate about their traveling, and people that travel have a lot of expendable income. So that means they're going to be able to buy these nicer things and the things that you are recommending to them. Also, they'll usually travel, let's say, annually or every so often, so it has a potential recurring revenue component to it. Also, it's nice because you can target people that travel in the spring, that travel in the summer, that travel in the fall, and travel in the winter. It's really not any kind of dead or downtime when it comes to traveling. When you're doing this exercise, always be asking yourself, What does my funnel look like? Am I going to send them to my YouTube channel or my blog? And what is my contact frequency with this particular type of consumer? So you can see there are a lot of questions that you need to sit down and define and answer first, because this whole system runs really deep. And the more you have it defined up front, the more successful you will be on the back end. Okay, now I'm going to take you over to the Google Ads keyword planner, because we're going to do a little bit of investigative work to see how competitive some of these keywords are for the niche that we want to go after. So the first thing that you're going to do is go into the ads keyword planner. And now you're going to click on the first option here, that's find new keywords. And you'll type them in right here. I've already done this search for travel, travel deals, and travel hacks. But basically we're looking at the average monthly searches for these keywords and the competition. And this is going to give us an idea of how many people are searching for keywords in our niche. And the competition is obviously going to tell us how difficult it will be to rank for them. So here you see that travel deals and travel are going to be harder than travel hacks. Also, the bid range here, and I always just look at the low range top of page bid to get an idea, and then let's go ahead and sort by this so that we can get an idea of how much marketers are willing to pay for a single click for a keyword in their niche. And when you see these high dollar amounts, usually indicates that there are high value affiliate products to sell in these niches, because people are willing to pay this much money for a single click. So if you come over here and notice that travel credit cards are something that people are willing to pay over $20 a click for, again, without even that guaranteed conversion. So that shows me that it is hugely popular and has the ability to produce very significant returns. So, if you think about it, marketers are only, if they were only generating $10 a sale on the credit card deals, they wouldn't be willing to pay upwards of $20 or more. Just doesn't make any sense. So there is definitely big money involved in closing these sales. Once you've got all this down, then you've found yourself a good niche. Now, aside from having the right mindset, the skills and experience, promoting the right product in the right niche is critical to your success, because good marketing can't substitute for bad products in bad niches, not in the long run. As always, remember to subscribe to the channel so that you'll be notified when I post new videos. And take a second and download my 30-page free ebook on how to launch knockout physical products on Amazon. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next video. Be sure and subscribe to the channel to stay up on the latest in e-com, and be sure and like this video so that other people get a chance to see it. And now watch this video. Go ahead, watch this video. Near, 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 near.